Salam, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today we are making Keto Raspberry Cheesecake Perfect. Let's make it. 2 cups cold heavy cream, 1 ounce instant sugar-free, fat-free cheesecake jello. Whisk 2 minutes. Pudding will be soft and set in 5 minutes. Transfer to a serving dish. Spread evenly. Refrigerate until mouth is set. 1 cup hot boiling water. 6 ounce package sugar-free raspberry jello. Whisk 2 minutes until gelatin completely dissolved. Add 1.5 cup cold ice water. Stir. Top pudding with raspberries, pushing them down slightly into the pudding. Pour jello over the back of a spoon. Never pour warm jello over the pudding. Refrigerate 30 to 60 minutes or until fully set. Make 12 servings. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.